Comelec security officer misfires gun injured, no one hurt. Metro Manila, CNN Philippines, May 13. A Commission on Elections security officer misfired his gun in the National Canvassing Center at the Philippine International Convention Center Monday evening. Comelec spokesperson James Jimenez said the accidental firing happened during the security personnel's turnover of firearms during a shift change. Jimenez clarified no one was hurt as the bullet hit the floor. The security personnel is now under Comelec custody. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.